Congratulations, you did it. You figured out how to monetize your YouTube channel no matter how many subscribers you have. That's right, everybody. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to monetize your YouTube channel and start making money from your content without having to get authorized, without having to get 1,000 subscribers, without having to do anything like that. I'm just going to be showing you a few quick ideas on how you can start making money. And I'm actually going to even include some links for you guys so that you can sign up and start promoting these offers on your YouTube channel, on your Facebook, wherever you are on the internet, and start making money today. So if I pull up my channel here, the first thing I'm going to recommend you do, obviously, is subscribe and hit that red button down below, because then you're going to be able to see all of my content about making money on the internet as soon as it comes out. But anyways, so here's just a few ideas on how you can make money with your YouTube channel. As you see here, I have 132 subscribers, so I don't have anywhere near 1,000 subscribers, but that hasn't stopped me from monetizing my channel, and that's what I'm going to show you. So the very first thing you'll see here is this second video here, most affordable cell phone service, mobile data in 2021. And I'll let you guys check out the video on your own, but if you look down here in the description, you see a link right here. And so this is a promotion for the cell phone service I use, which is called Mint Mobile, and you can get it for as low as $15 a month. With I think 3 gigs of data, and if you want unlimited data, you can get unlimited talk, unlimited text, and unlimited data for $30 a month. So that's a crazy deal, right? So obviously if you need it, you could just go to this video and click this link. But what else you can do with that is for every person that signs up using my link, which I hope is about to be you if you're paying more than $30 for your phone bill, but everyone who signs up for this, I get a free month of service. So that's one way I've monetized my YouTube channel, is I've completely eliminated my phone bill by simply putting a link here down beneath one of my videos. And this does 2 things. One, it helps my viewers like you get cheaper cell phone service, because you could be paying $30 a month instead of $100 like you're probably paying with Verizon and AT&T. But anyway, so that's one example. Let's just keep this moving here. Here's another video on my channel, how to get a completely free stock in 2021. And like I said, you can watch the video and get all the details in your own free time. But once again, you'll notice here a link in the description of this video, and this link is going to let you join Robinhood and get a free stock just like I did. And as you can see here, it's actually gone up even more than that, but I started with about $45 because I didn't know much about the stock market. I didn't want to lose a bunch of money, but I've made over 100% return on my investment with that. So if you want to get into stocks, there you go. Here's a link right underneath my video. You'll get a completely free stock just for signing up. And since we're talking about monetizing our YouTube channels, I'll get a free stock as well when you sign up. So then you can take your link and make a video just like I made here about how to get a free stock, and then boom, all of your subscribers who want a free stock can get one and can put a free stock in your portfolio as well. So that's another example of how I've monetized my channel before having 1,000 subscribers. And there's a few more examples of this. Here, how to make extra holiday cash in 2020 by decluttering. And once again, here you'll see a link in the description and a little code here, empathy trading. And this is for Poshmark. In case you don't know, my channel is called the Free State Flipper because I started making money on the internet by selling things online, selling on eBay and Poshmark. Poshmark is one of the selling platforms I used, and it's really simple. You just use your phone, take a picture of your old clothes or clothes you get from the thrift store, clothes your mom passed down to you, clothes from wherever you get them. You take a photo, you type a little description, and boom, people send you money, and you throw it in the mail and you make money that way. So anyways, you can get $10 to use on this app for free by using my code Empathy Trading to sign up. And then once again, you can monetize your own YouTube channel by putting your Poshmark link and your code down in the description beneath your awesome video about Poshmark, and then there you go. Everyone that signs up, you get $10. So that's 3 examples right there. Now, for those of you who stuck with me through this entire video, first of all, thank you for watching the video. If you could go ahead and smash and just absolutely destroy that like button, that's going to help the algorithm. And that'll be a little thank you for what I'm about to show you, because this is the biggest moneymaker of all right here as far as monetizing your YouTube channel. This GrooveFunnels affiliate training how to make a free website to promote any link in 20 minutes. And that's right, this video is 30 minutes long. The first 10 minutes I kind of walk you through what we're going to be doing, and then it's a 20-minute demonstration how to make your very own free website to promote not only this affiliate offer that I'm going to be showing you, but any affiliate offer you want under the sun. So just like what I'm showing you, to put your links below your YouTube videos, you can actually just create websites that promote whatever link you want. And here you go, right beneath this video. You can find it on your own. If you just search GrooveFunnels affiliate training, it should pop up, or you can just go straight to my channel, and here's a link. And just so you guys know, you can see this video has 39 likes, so that ought to tell you that it's helping people. And you know, I'm not just BSing here trying to get you to get into some funnel so that you get 1 billion upsells. Obviously you can upgrade to make unlimited websites, but with the free account you're going to be able to make 3 websites, and that's plenty for promoting your affiliate offer. You don't have to pay to start getting payments from other people, so you can sign up for a free account. Just watch this video. It's going to tell you exactly how to set your website up with your link in it so you can start making money. So boom, that's 4 different ways that you guys can start monetizing your YouTube channel. No matter how many subscribers you have, you don't need anybody's permission to do this stuff. You don't have to get approved. Nobody has to like your content aside from your viewers, who you're hoping are gonna, you know, sign up for these various different offers. And hopefully you're providing value with your videos. That's what I'm trying to do. So if you guys appreciate it, one more time, if you could just smash that like button. It's just a click. It takes 1 second. Boom, click, you're done. And that helps me out tremendously, because obviously it boosts the algorithm, more people see my videos. But what I really want to happen is more people to get cheaper cell phone service, more people to get a free stock, more people to click these links and get these things that I'm promoting, for 2 reasons. 1, it's going to help you guys out, and 2, it's going to help me you know, start having a more comfortable living situation and be able to spend even more time creating this content for you guys, rather than having to work a job for someone else, having to go resell stuff from the thrift store. Because you know what, if not enough of my offers are making me money, then that's what I got to go back and do, back to what I started, reselling clothes on the internet. And it's a great way to get started, so check that out if you need a way to get rolling. And like I said, I hope this helped, and I will catch you on the next video.